Between 2013 and today, the organic reach of a standard Facebook post dropped from 35% to roughly 2.5%. As digital platforms become more crowded and their algorithms more restrictive, the level of technical skill required to stay visible is constantly rising. Maintaining that visibility requires a constant stream of high-value tasks: designing responsive landing pages, managing secure web hosting, and writing ad copy that actually converts. For most businesses, keeping up with these demands creates a significant drain on the monthly budget. Many companies attempt to manage this through the outsourcing cycle. This involves hiring external agencies or keeping freelancers on retainers to handle the digital workload. While this solves the immediate technical need, it creates a cycle of permanent dependence. You pay recurring fees indefinitely, and the moment a contract ends, the specialized knowledge of how your brand operates online leaves the building with the contractor. Other businesses try to break that dependence by paying for corporate seminars, intensive, high-cost weekend training sessions designed to upskill their employees in a few days. These seminars often fail during the transition back to the office. Without a post-training support system, employees hit technical roadblocks they weren't prepared for, and the skills learned in the classroom are never actually implemented. This table highlights the core friction. One path leads to bleeding capital for external help, while the other leads to high upfront costs for training that your team cannot practically retain. Both traditional options leave the underlying problem untouched. Your business remains unable to execute its own digital strategy without paying for outside intervention. The alternative is to develop an internal team capable of managing these digital assets directly, creating a self-sustaining marketing operation. For most managers, the barrier is time. They lack the specialized background and the hundreds of hours required to act as a personal instructor for their own staff. POB Academy is a membership ecosystem that combines digital marketing education with the technical tools required to execute it. It addresses the failure of traditional seminars by providing ongoing technical support long after the initial training modules are completed. The curriculum uses step-by-step walkthroughs and actionable checklists to strip away the theory, focusing strictly on the tasks that impact brand visibility and sales. Shifting from external reliance to a supported internal team represents a strategic change that reduces recurring expenses while increasing your control over your brand's online presence. The process starts by enrolling a specific team member to master high-value skills, such as conversion-based web design or high ROI sales strategies. This enrollment marks the point where responsibilities, like managing your landing pages or digital analytics, begin the transition from an external agency's invoice to your internal workflow. This flowchart illustrates the specific steps of the POB ecosystem, showing how the training moves from study to actual implementation. Employees work through the Learn and Access Tools phases at their own pace, using their devices to fit the training around their daily responsibilities. When the employee attempts to apply a lesson and hits a technical barrier, they move into the use support phase. Depending on the plan, they have between 60 days and a full year of direct access to instructors to solve the problem. This system involves a clear trade-off. Unlike the instant fix of a done-for-you agency, this path requires a dedicated time investment from your staff to learn and apply the material. In return for that time, you eliminate the need for recurring freelancer retainers, turning a temporary service into a permanent internal asset. As the digital landscape shifts, the course materials are updated to reflect current platforms, ensuring your team's training remains relevant. The human support acts as the final link, preventing employees from abandoning the process when they encounter complexity, and ensuring the training results in actual operational autonomy. Executing a digital strategy typically involves software overhead, the hidden costs for hosting, purchasing custom domains, and premium design tools. Usually, after an employee finishes a course, the business must still purchase these external tools and infrastructure separately before they can start building anything. POB Academy bundles these digital assets directly into the membership plan. This chart compares standard software costs against the membership benefits. For businesses starting from scratch, these specific operational costs drop to zero. The plans include a free domain name, web hosting, premium themes, plugins, and AI-driven visual design tools. The trade-off is that your initial digital infrastructure becomes part of the POB ecosystem, utilizing their specific hosting and toolset. This simplifies the technical side of the business by consolidating what would have been multiple third-party subscriptions into a single flat annual cost. By providing the tools alongside the training, the system removes the financial friction that often prevents a company from implementing new digital strategies. Successfully adopting this model requires a shift from an outsourcing mindset to an empowerment mindset. The goal is to build internal stability, where the core functions of your marketing are integrated directly into your business. In an outsourcing model, the knowledge you pay for is only rented. When the contract ends, your business loses its ability to execute. POB Academy is built for leaders who prioritize long-term stability by developing the technical competence of their own staff. Digital resilience comes from owning the operational knowledge of your business, not just paying for the labor of others. To maintain budget efficiency, you should select a membership tier that aligns with the number of employees you need to upskill. This matrix shows the 3 primary packages, with the key differences being the number of employees supported and the inclusion of specialized extras. The Bronze package, at 120,000 Naira per year, provides 1 year of support for a single employee, includes all core courses, and a free domain. This is best suited for solopreneurs or microbusinesses, where one person handles the entire digital operation. The Silver package, at 240,000 Naira per year, covers up to 5 employees. It adds premium software tools and specialized extras courses from external facilitators. This tier is designed for medium businesses that want to synchronize a team, such as a web developer, a sales expert, and a visual editor. The Large Organizations tier provides the features of the Silver plan, but includes physical corporate training sessions specifically for department heads. Selecting the plan that matches your current headcount ensures every team member has the support they need to succeed without paying for unused capacity. You can continue with the cycle of outsourcing and the recurring costs that come with it, or you can begin building a capable internal team. POB Academy provides the curriculum, the digital tools, and the human support required to make that transition successful. Evaluate your team's needs and select the membership plan that fits your current scale. Visit the enrollment page to begin developing your in-house capabilities today. Building supported digital mastery within your own team is a sustainable strategy for the long-term growth of your brand.